LINK3D, the first global platform that instantly connects engineers to additive manufacturing service providers, is now available to the entire additive manufacturing industry. The company will enable anyone with a design to submit to 3D printing manufacturers in over 20 countries, giving access to 234 unique metal and polymer materials and 154 unique machine models, making it easier than ever to 3D manufacture your own products. Our mission is to make additive manufacturing accessible to anyone, anywhere, at any time. We serve a diverse group of industries, focused on metal and polymer production, said LINK3D CEO Shane Fox. CTO Vishal Singh added, LINK3D will fuel the Industrial Revolution 4.0, so to speak, by making additive manufacturing accessible to all businesses. LINK3D has closed its first round of funding for $600,000 in April. The platform officially launched at Rapid, the largest 3D manufacturing event in the US, held in April in Fort Worth, Texas. We are a platform for industrial engineers to connect in real time. We are focused on series production side. We believe that's where the industry is going, CEO Shane Fox told 3dshoes.com in an exclusive interview. If you can design something, you can make it at scale, and you can go into large-scale production much more efficiently and at better cost than before. You can make shoes right here in the United States. Our platform would allow those types of people to access on those types of machines, he added. The software is free for engineers. If you want to 3D print 100 pencils, a user can simply upload their 3D file into LINK3D software. The company then encrypts it with 256-bit encryption to protect intellectual property of the company. In real time, the software will link users up with 150 manufacturers across the globe based on your specifications. LINK3D is building digital factories. We are pinning major manufacturers up against each other to win your business, or small manufacturers depending on your project.